3 hours, 3 to 4 hours we spent this year. So thanks. Thank you. So what did you learn from this course?
About aperture, lens,
Okay.
shutter speed.
Okay. So you know what is the difference between shutter speed and aperture and ISO, right?
Yeah.
So can I ask you questions? Fine. So was this 4 hours was helpful for you to learn something new?
Yes, it was helpful.
You're happy with your training?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Hi. So what did you learn? What is the key learning for you?
To start off with, it's been really a nice day today. To start off with, learned a lot of things. I've been using camera since 1 year now.
Okay.
But every time I put in focus mode, click pictures, and then put the same pictures on my laptop and then make changes there. But after this training, I wouldn't use my laptop to a certain extent. I know what changes I have to make in the camera itself using the manual, mode here. Be it the focusing and almost all the basic features I learned it. It's really helpful. Definitely I would look forward to continue this. Any more training is held, definitely I would be present here. I would refer again a lot of people along with me when they are interested doing this. So
Okay.
I would get them as well. Today unfortunately they weren't available, so I couldn't get them.
I understand.
But yes,
So which exercise do you like in this entire training? We did a lot of exercise like shooting and all those things. Which one would you like?
especially the last part, the jumping one.
part.
Yes, because I'm a person who does a lot of trekking, traveling, we go to many places. So there we keep moving or just playing around, right? A lot of sports and all. So there we click pictures. It's really helpful for us.
So were you able to get the right picture?
Yeah, I did. Initially, yes, I had little challenges, but yes, after all your training, yeah, definitely we were able to do that.
Fine. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Hi.
Hi.
So what was the key learning for you today?
The key learning is I've been using the camera for past 2 years. The only mode I know was auto mode. I didn't know anything about aperture or shutter speed or ISO, anything. I came to know about those basic things, how to use the manual mode, which is important once you want to pursue your photography
As a profession.
or a basic interest.
Okay.
So if you know that, it will be helpful. That's the most
Learn
basic thing I came to know about.
Okay. That sounds good.
And I would definitely recommend others
Thanks.
who are interested.
I mean, if you are really into it, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.